Hi everyone, I'm Akshay Patil, your Gun Robotics Team Safety Captain for 2020-2021. Today you're watching the first installment of our GRT shop training videos. Since we cannot do this in person, today I will be giving you a virtual tour on our workspace and our tools. I'll be going over some important safety equipment such as fire exits and extinguishers as well as vent controls. Please note this is not a detailed training video on our machinery and our equipment.
So let's begin the tour. First up, when we enter GRT, we have our carpeted area. This is where we begin class every day. When you come into the shop, you will put your backpacks on this counter and take a seat. Here, we report announcements and assign jobs to start up each day. Over here, we have our kitchen area. The kitchen tables are available for lunchtime, but more importantly, we use them during build to serve and eat dinner together as a team. An important rule we have is to sit while you eat, and as a reminder, we have a poster right here. Sometimes we also work at the tables during class. Across from the kitchen are the cubbies. Everyone on the team is assigned a personal cubby to hold safety glasses, papers, projects, and other belongings. No food stored here, please. Over here are the shop cubicles. On my right and left are the controls cubicles. This is where the controls group does most of their work coding and wiring robots. Over here is one of our many fire extinguishers. Some cubicle areas are also used by the team during build season for building bumpers and robot assembly. Next to the controls cubicles are the drivetrain and the pneumatics cubicles. Each of these groups has specific tools for the tasks of designing, building, and testing our robot gearboxes and pneumatic controls, so please do not remove any tools from these areas. The last cubicle is home to our mini machines. Here you can find our mini lathe, mill, and drill press. Next up is the Boneyard. The Boneyard is mainly used as a storage area for our competition carpet and game pieces from past year's competition. This is also the home hydraulic press. Following the Boneyard, we have our Advanced Design Lab, or ADL. The ADL is essentially our computer room, and this is where we do all of our CAD design, CAM prep for CNC, and animation. We use Autodesk Inventor for CAD and CAM, and Autodesk Maya for animation. The ADL is a work area, not a hangout, and no food or drinks are allowed in here. Through these doors is our machine shop. The first room to check out here is Miss Grenlin's office. Here you will usually find a supervising mentor to look over the shop. Please remember to always knock and wait for permission before entering the office. As you walk past the office, remember that you must let a mentor know when you will be working in the shop, as well as turn on the shop ventilation. The vent switch is located here on the outside of the office. Notice also that another fire extinguisher is located right here. In the GRT machine shop, we have a wide variety of machines for fabricating our robots. Over here on my left is a sink for cleanup after machining. Wipe away any chips on your hand and use the pumice soap to wash away grease. Next to it, we have our chop saw, used mostly for wood. And next to that is one of the wall-mounted shop vacs for easy cleanup. Directly to the right of that is our general shop toolbox. Over here, we have our rotary punch and our arbor press, both used mainly for metal. Behind is one of our two drill presses that are used for metal, wood, and plastic. And on the shelf next to it, we have many hand drills, impact drivers, and their batteries and battery chargers. Next on the list is the bathroom. At the end of this hallway is a staff bathroom that Miss Granlin and Mr. Kamisha very generously allow GRT students to use during build season. Please make sure to keep it clean and orderly so we can continue to use it. Right next to the bathroom is the paint room. Remember to turn lights out here and turn on the fume hood ventilation with the switch on the far inside wall. The next room we're going to look at is the vault. The vault is a storage area for fasteners like bolts and rivets, replacement supplies for shop equipment, and non-metal project materials like pool noodles. Everything in here is labeled and organized in these boxes. Outside of the vault is our drill bit storage area. In the central area of the machine shop, you can see our two lathes. We have our collet lathe and our chuck lathe, both used for turning metal and plastic. Over here, you will notice our second drill press. Next to it, you can find the horizontal bandsaw, used for rough cutting stock metal. Also located in the back corner of the shop is our welding room. The welding room is used only by the trained GRT welders. Pay attention to the safety sign, always look for bright lights, and if the curtain is drawn, knock before entering the room. Outside of the welding room is our laser cutter. Back by the garage doors is our cat closet, and no cats live here anymore. There are two sides to this L-shaped closet where you can find all stock material for machining. This side is used to store metal and plastic stock like box beam, sheets, and rods. And the other side stores wood like 2x4s, 4x4s, and plywood. Here in the back area of the shop, you'll see our vertical bandsaw for metal and our two mills located behind. In between these two mills is another wall-mounted shop vac. In the corner is our CNC mill. These are all used mainly for machining metal. Over here, you will find our metal and wood sanders. Nearby are the metal shear, the sheet metal brakes for bending, and the wood bandsaw. Next to the wood bandsaw is another wall-mounted shop vac. To conclude our shop tour, in this corner we have our panel saw and the nylon deburring wheel, and we also have the wooden portion of the cat closet.
So that does it for our GRT shop tour. I hope this has helped all of you become more familiar with our shop and tools. If you have any questions, please ask them during class so everyone can learn the answers. The slides to this video and tour will be posted on Schoology. Welcome to the GRT shop. Stay safe everyone, and I hope to see you all working here soon.